Today, we're diving into the mind-bending world of video effects, specifically the incredibly cool Revile Effect in Adobe After Effects. First, let's get started by importing your video clip into After Effects. Simply drag and drop it into your project panel, then create a new composition by dragging your video clip onto the Create New Composition icon. It's the little icon on the bottom. Next, search for Time Displacement in the Effects and Presets panel and apply it to your video clip. Underneath the timeline we just created, you will see a new menu, Time Displacement. Navigate to the Time Displacement Effect Controls. In the Effect Controls panel for the Time Displacement layer, select None at first because now we have to create a Displace Map layer. Now, click Layer, New and choose Solid. In this Solid Settings panel, select any color and click OK. Rename your solid layer as Displace Map for an easier workflow. Next, select the Displace Map layer and navigate your Effects panel and search for Fractal Nose and apply it to the Displace Map. In the Effect Controls panel, adjust the fractal type to turbulence and adjust the contrast and brightness of the fractal nose to achieve the look you desire. This is where your artistic vision comes in. Now, select your original video clip layer and go back to the Time Displacement Effect Controls from earlier, then select Displace Map to the layer from the drop-down menu and change the maximum time displacement to a value that fits your eye. Now preview the result. You should see the Revile Effect creating a visually stunning and surreal look. Remember that adjusting the fractal nose and time displacement settings allows for further customization. And there you have it, the Revile Effect in After Effects. Experiment with different settings and have fun creating mesmerizing visuals for your videos.